Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to easily find your group posts and comments history on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process is more straightforward than ever. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can quickly access all your group activity in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new set of options. Now, click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything you've done on the platform, from likes and reactions to posts and comments. Once you're in the Activity Log, look at the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. Scroll down until you find Groups, Posts, and Comments. Click on it. This section is dedicated specifically to your activity within Facebook groups. Here, you'll see a timeline of every post and comment you've made in any group, all organized by date. This makes it super easy to review your group contributions, revisit old conversations, or even delete something you no longer want visible. You can filter by year or month to narrow down your search, making it quick to find exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can now view your entire history of group posts and comments on Facebook, right from your PC. No more endless scrolling or searching through notifications. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.